Hey y'all, here I am in my Google Drive, and I need to create uh, a quiz to go along with my Gmail and Google Groups section of this certification. So I always right-click. You can go to New, but I'm gonna make a Google form. So I'm gonna right-click and go to Google Form. For some reason that makes me happy. And this is a shared folder, so once I create this, it's going to be shared with people, and that's fine. That's what I want. Okay, Untitled. I need to name it Google Groups, multiple choice. I can type today, I swear. Okay, and then if you click up here, if you type in your title, and then you click up here, then it'll fill it in for you. I'm going to start with a multiple choice question, and there are actually a lot of them. What is the difference between Google Contacts and Google Groups? Right, and then I'll put in my options. I'm going to make this, you can make it a short answer or a paragraph. I think a paragraph has more, a longer character limit. Multiple choice has one single right answer. A checkbox question has potentially multiple right answers, and it will count. So if 3 of 4 are correct, then if you only get 2 out of those 3 correct, then it'll count it as wrong. So just so you know. A drop-down is something that has lots of options. So if you want to choose between 10 different choices, then you want to drop down. This is a new thing. It's a file upload. If you want your students to, say, record a video, then they can upload that file into this Google form now. A linear scale, rate something on the scale of 1 to 10 or 1 to 5 or pretty to ugly or whatever. It's a linear scale. Multiple choice grid is a linear scale, but multiple things. So if you want someone to rate multiple things on the same scale, right? So 1 is advanced and 10 is never seen it before, and you want them to rate different apps, this would be a really good choice. Checkbox Grid allows people to check more than one on a linear scale. You can have them answer with a date or a time. So I'm making a multiple choice, and I'm going to say contacts have multiple email addresses. I can spell addresses, I swear. Okay, then if you hit enter, then it comes up with another one. I'm going to say G groups have and you can see how you go along. I'm having a hard time with addresses tonight. To create a new question, you hit this add question button, and I just went through all the question types. So I'm going to add a checkbox question, and that's what it looks like, and you can checkbox more than one. You can add a title. So I might say this is section 2. There we go. And then, or you can add a picture or a video and a section, right? If you put a section here, then what they see is they'll take this quiz and then they'll hit next, and it'll go to the next section, which is on a different screen. So you can't look back at what you've done earlier.